All right, this video is going to be on my Aiper Scuba S1. This is my 1 year review. I've been using this thing probably at least 2 times a week when I have my pool open for at least close to a year. This is one of my favorite pool vacs I've ever had. It's just super simple. All I have to do is hold in this power button to turn it on, and then I can clean my floors, or I can clean my floors and walls. And I think it does just my walls, but I don't never do that. Here in my above ground pool, 99% of the time, all I ever do is clean my floors. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'll let you watch it run a little bit if you want. And then at the end, I will show you how much dirt it does get out. I just ran this yesterday, but I got so much junk falling out of my trees. It didn't get everything because it filled. I wish I would have showed you in the video from yesterday. I wasn't making a video, but it filled this thing completely up. It was crazy. I've never seen so much stuff in one of these filter baskets, but it has this nice big filter basket. And like I said, right here's the power button. It's so simple, but I'm gonna run this and then I'll show you what the filter basket looks like and how easy it is to clean that filter basket. And then I'll show you how you charge it. But let's drop it in the pool. Here you can see some of the junk I have in my pool. Right out there in the middle, I got some stuff. It's all over still because it's like spring and everything keeps falling out of these trees. I'm just gonna hold this button in and it beeps. Now it's gonna do walls and floor. I'm gonna hit it again. Now it can do floor. Oh yeah, there's walls. Oop. Yeah, that's just floor there. And I just drop it in the water. There she goes. And it takes a second before it all kicks on. You'll start seeing water shoot up out of the, you'll see it bubbling right there when it kicks on. And then it just starts cleaning. I come back and I don't know what it is. I'll try to put here on the screen how long it runs for. It runs like something like a couple hours maybe, but it works awesome. There it goes, it's kicking on. I can see it making waves. There it goes. So you could probably also use this smaller one. They do make a bigger one for in-ground pools mainly, but I'm sure even this smaller one would work in an in-ground pool. There it goes. I will put you on a time lapse to show you this thing running. All right, the pool vac is all finished. And luckily it stopped right by my steps. Now I'm gonna take the hook that does come with that pool vac, put it on my pole. The pole you normally would have like your leaf net on. And then you scoop it out. Or you hook it out, whatever. Where's the handle at? There it is. Like that. And you just open it up, take the filter basket out. Let's see, yep. See all the junk it did get out of my pool. Nice. Then we'll just spray that off real easy. I like to use my hose on like a flat setting. That's pretty much it with the basket. I like to let the basket out, maybe spray my pool vac off a little, get some of the chlorine off. And I'll take it over, plug it in, and get it ready, and charge it up, get it ready for next time. Charging port on this is right back here. I like to unplug that. Then take a paper towel, just dry off around it. Take the plug charger that comes with it and plug it in. And this light kind of goes on and off. I don't know if you can see that on camera. And I think it goes steady. I think it's a steady light when it's fully charged. That easy. And I'll let this out until that's done charging. Maybe even let that open, let it dry out. It's that easy. It's really simple, saves you piles of time. I definitely highly recommend this. This is my favorite one I've used so far. And I've used, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 different pool vacs. Another nice thing that a pool vac will do, it'll save your filter, because all that junk that you sucked up into this is not going to have to go through your strainer or into your filter. So hope this review helped you out. Thanks for watching.